Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display grid lines on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab up at the top, select Show, and then you want to select where it says Grid Lines, and then select OK, and then grid lines should appear, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.